Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mount Pleasant, local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to local moves, our Mount Pleasant local movers have got you covered from A to Z and everything in between. First, we'll create a detailed plan tailored to your needs. Our skilled Mount Pleasant movers will arrive at your doorstep with the expertise and enthusiasm needed to make your move seamless. We'll carefully pack your belongings, ensuring they're safe and snug for the journey. When it comes to long distance moves, we bring the same passion and expertise that define our local movers, but within a few added touches. Crossing state lines requires extra attention to detail and careful planning. Our Mount Pleasant long distance 3 movers will meticulously pack your treasures, ensuring they withstand the voyage unscathed. Rest assured, the safety of your belongings is our top priority. We use top-notch packing materials, employ secure loading techniques, and even offer optional insurance coverage to provide you with peace of mind throughout the trip. Moving can strain your budget, so we offer the best pricing options tailored to your needs. Our transparent, competitive rates and exceptional service make 3 Movers the perfect choice for your long-distance adventure. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mount Pleasant moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.